Ooh, hey, welcome to Blue Mtn's channel. With a dicking around in the shed. We're doing a oil change on the Spyder on the Can-Am 2021 Can-Am Spyder RT. So let's get started. Run that intro. Pretty simple. You got two holes, same fill plug. You need a 36 millimeter for the filter and a X head, Allen head, something, I don't know, 7/17 or something. You need two different sizes Allen heads. Why couldn't they make it all the same? So one on one side, one on the other. So let's get started. Welcome back to Blue Mtn's channel. Hello. Alright, you can see I'm using a Harley. I don't know what you can see or what you can't see. But you need along one of these thingies. You'll need an oil drain plug pan. One of them's right here. Can you see? Nope. Right here. Oh, right here. I can't see it. Right there. You see it? We'll get some. Yay. I got it. Whew. I have to get a replacement one of them. Whew. How long is that? Ooh, that's hot. Alright, like I said, it's got two of them. That's I done quit draining. It's up in here. You can't see it that good. It's over here. So let's stick my. I'm probably gonna need a extension. Well, can't nothing be that easy, can it? Dog it. Excuse me. Might be some foul language. Alright, we got them old plugs out. I'm PG-13, you know, so went hard to get those out. Well, you look at this crap. Nothing I touched today is going good. Plastic cap, metal bolts. So you got three O-rings on this one. So let me change those out. Alright, we're going back together with a K&N. Former parts. There you have it. Drop it in. Drop it in. Drop it in. Down. There it goes. Take you. And on this, you got one here, and one here. Largest one goes on the front. Taking this place, this one. This one's a bit bigger than this one, so make sure you get the bigger one on the bottom. On the top. So that you can. This is the motor oil we put in. Spectro. Performance oil. Vacuum oil. Oil synthetic. No. I need a smaller funnel. I gotta work. Well, there you have it. 6 quarts of oil. Whew, that's a lot. This 5-minute job turned into 2 hours. Oh Lordy, that was pain. This pain because I couldn't get the dang bolts off. Anyway, we got it done. Last step, make sure you write the mileage down, the date and the mileage. Can't write it on the oil filter thingy because it drops in and you can't do it. So if you would, go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button on here. It's free, you know that. Shit, it's hot. It's hard.